Good morning to everyone. My name is Rayyan Safi and today we are doing debate here on a very amazing topic, and the topic is holidays should be given to students and laborer to anyone. Well, in my approach, holidays should be given to everyone. Why holidays should be given to everyone? Because holidays are those days, in those days a person who can think his life and who can think about his career, and he can take rest. He need not any kind of take pressure. Okay, now if I talk about the advantage of holidays, so first advantage is that now India is backward. Why India is backward? Why India is backward? Only there is a one reason. That reason is that we had not any kind of, we don't have any kind of holidays. Why we don't have any kind of holidays? You can see that nowadays what is happening. If I talk about the journeyman, workers and laborers, they don't have any kind of holidays because of this thing. They are busy. If they are busy, so they don't focus on their children. If they don't focus on their children, so children they can't study. If they can't study, our India, our country can't develop. Our economy rate will decrease. And second thing, if I talk about the Amen, suppose Amen, he is journeyman now and he wants to become businessman in his life. For becoming something, we will have to give time to ourselves, to himself. If we can't give time to ourselves, if we can't focus on our, so we can't succeed in our life. For succeeding, we will have to give time to ourselves. That's all.
So, hello everyone. Today we are going to debate on a very amazing topic which is about the holidays. That holidays should be given to the students and not. So, in my perception, that holidays shouldn't be given to the student because there are so many drawbacks about the holidays. So, let's start with my drawbacks. Holidays from schools will give them an excuse to stay away from their assignments and works and test. So how to see when we get holiday, so at that day we think that we have a plenty of time and this work we can do tomorrow. It means which work can be done by today, but that work we put on tomorrow because of holidays. And we know very well when we get English class holiday, so at that day we don't practice only because of holiday. Holidays will disturb students and disturb students. They must have learned at school. Holidays will encourage students to get addicted to time wasting habits. Holidays will give them opportunity to students of household chores, because when we stay at the home, so at that time we will be busy only for the household chores because of holidays. And in many families, parents will be out of working all day and students will be left unsupervised, and this may be dangerous for the youngers. It means students, and students may be also drawn to the anti-social activities like gambling and drugs and theft, etc. If students are kept away from their study till more time, so at that day it can be affected to the student. And it was said by the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru that to rest is to rest. So why we demand of holiday? It means why we need of holiday. Because of this I am saying that holiday shouldn't be given. And I want to give answer of Bashir, that he was saying that because of holidays, it means because of holidays when we don't get holidays, so we fall ill. So if you are careful for your health in summer vacation, in the winter vacations, of course you will not fall ill. And of course if you eat the burger, momos, chow mein, this type of things, if you will eat, so of course you will fall ill. And you
I speak. So as you were talking about that, means if government gives holiday to students, to anyone, so people they get habit of waste time, they get habit of drugs and all. So sister, it's depend on us. Listen, not it's depend on us. So person who is responsible, who wants to succeed in his life, so if he wants to succeed in his life, so if he has free time, so he will utilize of time. Okay, it's not that we will get habit of games and drugs and all bad habits. So it's depend on us. If you want to succeed, so utilize your time. Okay, don't waste your time.
He was saying about that the India nowadays, India is backward country only because of the holidays. I think you don't know about the India is backward only because of the holidays, because we take holiday and we don't do anything only because of holidays.
We don't. So now you can see that We speak again, speak again. I didn't get anything. Speak again, miss.
You were saying about the holidays that nowadays India is backward country only because of the holidays. I think you don't know about the India that nowadays India is backward only because of the holidays. Because of the holidays, nowadays Indian people are becoming more lazy and lazy and lazy, and they don't want to work. Because of this, India is backward. Not for it is not a fault of it is not a fault of people.
I'm not talking about those person who are lazy, who are pathetic naturally. I'm not talking about that person. I'm talking about that person means who are so and so. Okay, means he's talking about laziness. So what is a laziness? I don't know about laziness.
If you will become lazy person, so how will you do work?
How will you do work?
Yeah, of course.
So miss, it's your fault. You are.
So it's
suppose. Listen me
okay.
first.
When we get holiday, so it means when comfortable comes to us. So at that time, so of course we will enjoy that.
So miss, why are you breaking your timetable? So make consistency and regularly, miss. Do this thing regular.
So
Don't break your timetable.
Real.
Okay.
It means because it means.
Yeah. And one more benefit is there available. Yeah, miss, if we don't have any kind of holiday, means earlier we used to study regular. So our mind take boring. Miss,
Firstly,
listen me, miss, you speak every time, okay? Miss, our mind takes boring. Miss, boring. If our mind takes boring, so it doesn't matter that, bore. So we need to rest also. If we don't have any kind of pressure, if we don't have any kind of anything, so we can live life. So we can live our life very amazing.
Firstly, if we don't get any type of holiday, so it doesn't mean that we don't take rest. Normally in India, people they take rest every day. If they have holiday, if they don't have holiday.
So, miss, they take rest. It's fault of people. They are not doing working hard, and employment rate is not increasing because of people. They are not miss.
It's not a fault of people.
Listen. Companies they need to but workers they are not doing hard working and they are not going into the company. Yeah, miss. Otherwise there is employment.
But if the company will give holiday to the employment, so how will they do work?
Listen. And sir, and I want to answer, sir. Listen, sir.